In this task, we need to create a pod HTTP with HTTP latest image. The container name should be HTTP-container, and we need to use these labels for that. So this can be done in two ways. Either we can use imperative way with the single line command, or we can use declarative way by writing YAML files. So best practice to use YAML files. So what you need to do, you don't need to remember the syntax of the YAML file, but you just need to have a basic idea on where to change and what to change. So for this one, either you can do pod Kubernetes and then go to pods. So you can get a basic example for this sample file, simple one, then you can edit it. You can do this way, or you can run the command krun pod, and then I'm gonna do image. I'm going to use dry run equal client, and then -o and YAML. And then what I'm going to do, I'm gonna, okay, I'm sorry, I forgot to give the image name. So for instance, I can give httpd latest. If you run it, you can see output. Even you can redirect it to your file. So I'm gonna do pod.yaml. So this helps you while if you go for any examination, certification exams, then you can simply run this command, then you can modify it. Because we don't have access to internet, so many we are not allowed to use internet. So in that case, this command is going to help you. So if you open that file and then edit it, delete this one, the labels, it should be app, and the key should be app, value should be httpd_app, and the pod name pod-httpd. We don't need these values, I'm just going to delete them. So image looks fine, but the container name should be httpd-container. Then save it. What you can do, you can apply it. Okay, apply -f. Yeah. If you run the command kget-po, it's creating. Let's wait for the status to change. It's running now. Now you can check the task results. That's successful. Thank you so much for watching.